Hello and welcome to another episode of Space Engineers. As the sunrise illuminates the base, I've done a fair amount of work off camera just to speed things along. One of them being we've gone through and fully welded up the pipeline. We've got all of the power lines in place and they're strung along, giving my mining platform out here all the power and resource access that it needs. So we're building a giant drill rig here today, which will be very exciting. We have also gone and excavated part of the beach to get ready for future development, as there will be need for more space and conveyor access to be able to do the rest of the production tree. And you can see there we've got some new structures. We've got the hydroponics, the food resequencer, and the water recycler from daily survival needs so that we can survive. We needed them because these little emergency ration things, they did their work. These were very, very useful and capable, and I loved having them. But these are so much better. We have got the hydroponics making me algae, which is then going over to the food resequencer to make tofu, as the water recycler makes me drinking water. And in the meantime, my character is ready to rock with some emergency rations and water. We're going to head on up to the iron mine and go and start building. I think I also want to make sure that I grab some girders, because I don't have any of those. And let's take a little bit of my aluminum as well. We've got lots of stuff loaded up here in the transport container, ready to drive off, as we've got, what is that? A lookout tower 4 kilometers away. I think we're okay. I think we're okay. We've got our wheels on, turn our parking off, and these wheels on the truck, they need a lot more strength. Not strength. What is that? No, power. Power to the wheels. Friction so I can actually grab the road. As we finally have enough weight in the vehicle here that the tires are gripping and we can drive. Thankfully, no collision on those pipelines. Otherwise, that would be sucky. But we can now boogie up this hill because there's enough weight here. Our tires are gripping properly. We can actually apply these 3 hydrogen engines worth of power and zip my way up the hill quite easily. Now, normally if I was going to build a drilling platform and I was just starting a survival series, I would be building the little punch drill first, punch out some resources, and then bring it up, take off the drill, add another piston, put the drill back on, punch it down again, bring it back up, take everything apart, like add a piston to send it out to the side, you know, that kind of stuff. As I accidentally bumped my microphone, you probably heard that. But now I already have a bunch of resources, and realistically, if I need more, I can just mine some iron out by hand here and throw it into the system, and I'll get automatically taken back home, and then there's no need or worry. I can just mine as much as I need because this giant iron node isn't going anywhere. I will probably throughout this entire series not actually use up this iron node. Like this entire series, I will excavate a large portion of this iron node and simply not use it all because it's going to be so much iron. But it's great. Once you have a bunch of a resource and you've done the transportation, you never have to worry about that resource again. But in the meantime, we need to set up a drill rig. Now I'm thinking a monster drill rig. I have to build this once and that's it, and then I'm just done. So we're going to want to have some pistons. We're going to want to have some advanced rotors. We're going to want to have some drills. We probably will... I want to see if we could try and maybe get the large heavy impact drill. I want to see what this is like. But we'll also grab the normal drill and try that on as well. And we're going to have some grapple turrets. As I want to make sure I keep this base alive. So on my little drill thing here, I want to put on some turrets, which will essentially be like anti-missile defense kind of feel. Because the enemy is probably going to fire some missiles at us, which is not going to be very fun. So, you know, these engines are annoying. Shut up. I don't want to deal with those engine noises the entire episode. And also, I can just take this and plug it in. Right? Did you? Come on. No. Plug it in. Boop. No? I guess it might be a little too far away. Whatever. You're not going to despawn on me, are you? I'm right here. So what I'm thinking is I want to make a large enough drill rig that is on a advanced rotor at the top of it so that it can spin around and kind of like what this... I should really just make Scraper 2.0. I did this Scraper in Splitsy's series with Draconis Impossible. I should remake the Scraper because that was nice, that Scraper. That worked wonderfully. We needed to be a bit higher off the ground to start for that, if I'm going to be doing it here. But I can just go like 2 pistons up, and that should be more than enough for me to have the space for this, right? So 2 pistons up, then advanced rotor. Junction tube, and the junction is there because we are going to put a turret on top of this, and we'll probably put like turrets on like every single face of this too after we've built up this junction, of course. So that way we're going to have just like this little cluster of turrets right there at the top, capable of shooting down any missile that comes near this. Then from there, we can do our piston cluster thing, our stacked up pistons. So how we do that is we come out and we go off to the side, for example, with conveyor tubes, and then back this way. And then we can put another piston, this time here, and it would be in line. So when this piston pushes out, it pushes this piston out, and then that means this one can go even further and get to even more goodies. And then we can go down from there and hook back alongside the length of the piston, hook again back on in, like so, and then put another piston. And then we can just keep repeating the process here until we make up enough pistons of how much we want. I'm thinking I don't want to go above the turret line, do we? We want to make sure the turret has like a nice 360 degrees at the top here. So if I do that, then it's going to be curve, curve, straight, straight, and then again, curve, curve, with this piston. Then I can do, to make it equal on that side, oh, I'm not really liking this. I'm going to change this slightly. Yeah. Figure out how this should look. There we go. I think that's how I want it to be. So what that does is the sort of, I want to call this my standard 5. So I've got one coming out of the center, and then this, it goes off and it sort of wraps around this way in terms of which ones go back, and then it goes back, and then it goes up there and sort of wraps clockwise around it. I think that's better. And then I'll just have to raise this up. So I have to take that piece off there, and I'll just have to put a I might even, like, if I junction this, could I put a large gravel turret on this? I wonder. Ooh, it would actually fit. That's kind of cool. I could put a large gravel turret on this as well. But I think I'll just stick with smalls. And I can place it there, 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 and like coat the sides of this thing. And it would be wonderful. Boom. Turrets. And that way this can shoot everywhere. Excellent. Alright, so now that is extending out. And we're slowly rotating around, but that is okay. How am I doing my fuel? 41%. Alright. From here, I need to build that rotor so this thing stops spinning. Come on, you silly rotor. Oh, come on. Why didn't I grab everything you needed? There you go. And cease your spinning. Very good. I will have to share inertia sensors for everything on this in order to not have it blow up. But we can go from here and curve into the center like so. And now we have the space to do another set of these 5, this time pointing downwards. So we can do this center one. We can do it this way. I can curl around back to the center. Ooh, I'm a smart cookie. We can start with a thing downwards. So then we'll go that. And then go back around, going on up. And wrap my way around what will be the central spot here. So instead of going into the center here, like instead of going that direction, we'll go this direction. And we'll sort of reverse it and leave a spot in the center for the very end. So that way my drill system at the end is perfectly centered and wonderful and happy and OCD compliant. As we just do the last bits here. Last that, and then on, and I've run out of steel plate. Thankfully I have a whole bunch. Oh, there we go. And pointing downwards to then go into the bottom and add that piston with 6. There we go. Excellent. Then all we need is a single tube downwards, and then we can start adding drills to this. Get rid of the turrets. We do have the large heavy impact drill, which is a bit big, but honestly a little cool, and I kind of want to try it. What I will need to do, though, is add a junction here so that I can junction to the side if I wanted to do the large heavy impact drill. If not, I just want to do normal drills, which can I even make this thing yet? I can. If I just wanted to do normal drills, it's actually like it's less resources than the normal drill, probably because it wasn't properly balanced for industrial overhaul, but He probably never expected anyone to play Industrial Overhaul with it. But sure, let's do a large heavy impact drills. That sounds delicious. Let's get this piston fully built up, because then we can push this high into the sky and have that first. And then we'll have plenty of space. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to every piston and shear inertia tensors, and every rotor and shear inertia tensors. Oh, thank God it's smooth now. Because these things here have only the front of them with excess, what we'll have to do is we'll have to put a junction here. And I'm not sure if these things are going to play nice right beside each other. If I put one in the center there, no, it big. That's actually probably too big. I'm going to have to get the other piston here online and get that pushed all the way to the sky for me to be able to get it functioning. The hope is that I can have this high enough out that whatever drill system I choose, I can then push it all the way into this hillside here, and it won't be too high for the hillside. But bada boom, oh yeah, it only can do one every 3. So I need to do another 2 blocks. Okay, now that I know that, I think what I'll do is I'll make this all tubes here. Make it cool looking tubes. And I've run out of hydrogen! Okay, I have 26 hydrogen. I think can I fly back to the base like this? I'm gonna try. If I get myself thrown. No. I'm not gonna get back to the base in one go. Okay, I'm gonna go get some hydrogen, fill up my bottles again, come on back, build up some more stuff. And coming on back, coming in hot. We have got this back in position. Alright. So, I'm thinking we can do a conveyor T here. No, wait, conveyor cross. Oh, that's what we want to do. We can do a conveyor cross and then go out, out, curve. Same thing on this side. Out, out, curve. And then that way we can do 1, 2, 3 large heavy impact drills. I should probably make those T's in case I want to expand this in the future. Because then if I want to make this into a 5 drill system, I can just easily do that. Easy peasy, I'm squeezy. All right. And now, there is the very long and boring part of welding this all together. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this, the camera here in a position. And through the magic of editing, we're going to snap our fingers. And this will be completely welded. The sun will move a whole bunch. In 3, 2, 1. And there it is! All built up and absolutely wonderful. Oh my god, that took a little while. But here we are. We have a drill rig. Oh my god, look at those drills. I'm totally getting the vehicle out of the way. This thing is going to get run over and drilled to pieces if I leave it there. Alright. I'll move this thing back and park it here. And, I guess I'm going to be operating this manually for a bit, aren't I? Because I don't have any buttons or anything set up for this. But that is okay. This is exciting. We're going to go to those drills. And I'm going to take these large, heavy impact drills. And let's rename them. and put them into a group. Yeah, we don't need to show them in terminal because we have them on group. Turn them on. And they look cool. And are they silent? Oh my god, they're silent. I'm actually happy this mod doesn't have noise. I like mods when they do that. And now, let's go up to that advanced rotor here. And let's go and set it back to, upper limit. Oh, alright, we want to go this way. I want to say upper limit 0, lower limit 0, and this thing is spinning the other direction. It's not what I want. Don't you drill my, power pole. Are you gonna... Ah! It is not wanting to go through there. Okay. You silly advanced rotor. I gotta do this manually here. Advanced rotor. Okay, fine. Just unlimited... Not... Oh God, not velocity of that much. Unlimited, lower limit, unlimited upper limit. There you go. Can I please... Whoop. No. Velocity. Did I bump this and break it? I totally did. I shut off the power when I did that. Oh, I still have stuff in my build planner here. Ah, it's okay. I should totally just, like, take this thing down and then rebuild. Oh, no, I can't rebuild it after I move the thing to the side because I need it there. Where's the other power line? Oh, it's back here. Gotta drag from here out to this power line and reboot everything. There we go. There's power back. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's flying around. Oh, it's because you've got, like, negative 17 freaking RPM. Oh, my God. Why are you so weird, advanced rotor? 1. Go that direction. Oh, lower limit of 0. Please. Oh, my God. Can you stop being weird? Thank you. Okay, upper limit of like 10 degrees. It's going to go around and then it's going to be like, we're out of rotation, but we're going to go the 365. Then we'll go back into rotation. Aren't you? Okay, no, you're not wanting to do. You're not wanting to do that. Oh my God. Which way are you going? Limited. Go back that direction, please. I will just get you to a spot where I can stop you and stop this crazy train. Because I'm getting scared. Okay. Rotor lock you there. You're at 8 degrees, whatever. That's fine. Okay. Let's try to finesse that back a little bit. Negative 0.1. Can I finesse you back to current angle 0 degrees, please? 3, 2, 1. 0 degrees. Lock it up. Okay. Velocity 0. Upper limit 0. Upper limit 0. Lower limit 0. Drills online. This platform is probably in the way. We'll get rid of it. We don't need it. Now, with that thing all built up, we take this bad boy and reverse it. And it's probably not going to be enough to get into the ground. Oh no, I think I think these will touch. I think these will start drilling. I hear it. I hear drill noises. There we go. The ground's deforming. Just a bit, though. We need the next thing. The cargo container here is getting a bunch of organics as we're drilling up the grass there. We're going to need to go to this piston, and we'll set it to be nice and slow going downwards. Give these drills all the time they need. Probably a little too slow. Let's go -2. -0.2. And our trio of big drills are punching their way into the terrain. Oh, look at all that dirt being moved all at once. Oh my god. That's some thumbnail material right there. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And is this one little punch here going to get all the way down to the iron? Oh, a little bit. We are down in the iron a little bit. We're a little bouncy. But that's okay. All of the pistons that we are using have their share inertia tensors on. So that's good. There's an enemy ship over there, but we're going to ignore that. Please don't attack us. And this is full. And our drills are... Wow, they can carry a lot of stuff. 400,000 in those drills? Damn. But what we can do is we can go from the drill, and we can go into the pipeline hub here, and we can start shunting things down back to the base, which is awesome. Let's do that on drill. Can I put this on cargo? Because I can actually see the cargo of the base back at home. There are still some cargo containers available at the base ready to get filled up. So then this pipeline hub must be transferring stuff as fast as it already can. Toggle the drills off. And I want to see if... Is this stone going down at all? Is this pipeline transferring this? What if I throw some iron in there? Or take the stone out? Ooh, stone automatically went into it. But is it working? Mr. Pipeline Hub, are you functional? Are you venting your stuff down the line? Can the refinery? Are you getting resources? Oh god, what's it called? Smelter? No, it's not. Smelter's getting stone. The refinery's getting stone actively. It must be working. Because I certainly didn't have any stone left on the base down there. Yeah, there's no stone at the base. And these guys are getting stone that they're processing. Alright. Well, with just that one little punch, that little tiny punch, I have managed to get all my drills here. Like several 100,000 stone and thousands of organics and like 75,000 iron. And I haven't extended down at all, which is the ridiculous part. And like what will be the true test is taking these. We gotta scrape the entire top off here. Oh, I should do that. I should just do that right now. We'll take those drills and put them back on. And I think I want to extend this up a block here. So we'll go maximum distance. We'll go 2.5. We'll reverse it up a block. Huh? What? Why are you not working? Hello? Why don't you go up? Is it because there's like too much weight in the drills now? Is that it? I mean, these things do have hundreds of thousands of materials in them. God, I wish I could shunt this out faster. I don't think it's possible, though. This hub seems to not want to push things down further faster. If I go to this one, what does it have in it? It's full on stone, too. So I guess... Interesting. I guess this thing's clogged up already. I have so much materials. This thing's already clogged. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, probably a max impulse. Maximum force the piston is allowed to apply. Yeah. It probably has something like that it's doing. That's alright. We'll just turn off these drills. We got our first plunge down, which has gotten us, like, all the resources we could really need for a very long time. Our smelter is going crazy. Our refinery is going crazy. Just processing all these materials. And if we want to, we can just leave this here. Fire this bad boy truck back up. Get out of here. Because we are almost out of water and food as well. Should be in... Deposit everything. Grab all this stuff. There we go. We should be able to, if we get down there, go to the local hub that's down on the base and pull stuff out of it, and then it should come through the pipeline. Essentially be a manual conveyor sorter. That should work. But otherwise, that was very successful. Like, I'm thinking we're going to need to expand our production a bit, in the sense that we need just, like, more refineries and more smelters kind of feel. Like, I should just build another, like, 3 or 4 refineries and 3 or 4 smelters so that I can just process these massive quantities of resources that we're getting in at one time. We can come here, park our little butts up. And what do you got? 63 hydrogen left still. You're fine. You're absolutely fine. Oh my god, that's an assert 3 kilometers away. That's not a good thing. But if we look at the hub, and then look at that to a cargo container, we should be able to find one that's empty and just manually pull resources into it. Oh, yeah, look at that. Now the pipeline hub at the top is having materials flow through it as that propagates down the line. All the materials through all the different pipeline hubs that are along the line there are just chock-a-block full of stone right now. And there we go. I should probably stop doing that for a bit, because yeah, we're literally just gonna have infinite stone coming through. Well then, assert observer 5 kilometers away. Please leave me alone. Do not hurt me. I come in peace. Not really, but I should put some more gravel turrets down. And now that I'm going to have a complete, just, like, crap load of gravel coming through the system. I should get this thing back into high gear, as I believe it's full of gravel. Nice! The gravel compressor? Yeah, make me like 100 heavy compressed gravel rounds. Sure. I have the gravel for that. Who cares? Just do it. Oh my god, it's a Desert Sparrow. Oh no. Turrets are all on, right? The heavy gravel turrets are all on. I made some ammo for them, but I'm not sure how much. They're firing. How much is it gonna do? I have no way to assist this. I should just need to get off the base. What is it damaging? What is it damaging? No. Is blowing up the Wave Rider. Okay, as long as the survival kit survives, this is recoverable. That's the only thing that matters. Oh my god, no! Alright, we need to get in there! Aha, Search Sparrow! You never expected the attack to come from the air! Gotcha, okay. Now you're useless. Oh, God. Wave Rider! Okay, you're still alive. Survival kit survived. I can recover from this. Is that thing crashing? Or is it just going away for now? My Gatling turret's still online. Let's see. Do I still have gas in the system? No, the gas isn't coming through. Oh, the programmable blocks damage. No, I can't manage my solar tower now, except for doing it manually. Oh my god. This is my first major setback of the series. Okay, well, okay, first off, bare minimum, we survived. We have, unable to place. Why am I unable to place? Oh, there's scrap metal and such there. Okay, we gotta go clean up now. So, emergency. We need to reinforce our dock immediately. We need to get more turrets online and more... You can see this turret out here has been damaged. Its power line has been cut, so we need to redo that. But we did survive. I just need to do some repairs to the Wave Rider, unfortunately. Thankfully, it looks like all of the flotation tanks are fine. Just need to be patched up. You just have to repair the floorboards, get the hydrogen systems flowing again, which look like we might just need to put on that gravel block. Oh, so sad to see it get destroyed. Yeah, this is repairable. I feel like this is repairable. Do I have a projector? Can't make it. Okay, too bad. I would really like to... Too bad I didn't put an internal projector on this thing. So I would have liked to project out its design and just rebuild it from that. But I think, and this one's not damaged. Ooh, I can turn off stockpile there. Does that give me... my sideways ones are damaged, but I can reverse myself back a bit here. Excellent. I get myself back to the dock. Bump into it, but I can get myself there. Okay. I just need to plug my butt back into a charging station. Can't attach on broken blocks. There we go. Okay, we're charged. We're plugged back into the station. The survival kit survived. That's all that really matters. I should probably repair this and hide this thing somehow. Maybe make like an actual dock for it where it's hidden inside of a building. And now that I have a constant source of gravel, I need to build up way more gravel defenses. And just like, if that observer, oh god, it's over there, it's going to come again. If that's over there, we need to do more. Right immediately. So let's get gravel turret. Let's get this going. Can't let that thing kill us. Withdraw 7 steel plates. Why not? Because I'm connected to the transport courier and it's got a bunch of steel plates. So it's not thinking that there are any on the base. Might as well get those into the base real quick. Okay. It's another turret down. We'll just plop down a turret on each one of these. Why not? But yeah, okay. I'm in panic mode now. That's going to be it for this episode. I got to get my defenses up, reinforced real quick. Hopefully I survive the night. But you guys will know at the start of next episode of how it turned out. For now, panic, and see you guys next time.